This video will be a quick tutorial on how to practice problems from old homeworks in Connect Math Enhanced version. So once you've completed an assignment, it's going to show up in a little box down here. And notice we can't click on these assignments, which means it seems like we cannot open them again. But if we click on See Report, it will open up the assignment. We can select a problem here, and then this little button, the pencil with the arrow going around it, is for practice. I click that and it will open a new screen for me with a problem that is similar to the first one, not necessarily the exact same, but similar, that I can now try, and it will assess me. It will only include these two buttons though. It will not include Ask My Instructor if your instructor has that available, or any of the others that might have been there. It's just these. It will let you check your answer, and then you can move on. Well, what happens if you have an assignment that you've already done something with but not completed? If I click on Try Again, the way that I have my course set up, I would not be able to retry any of those problems that I've already done. But also, since it's not yet been completed, this assignment is not going to show up down here with my grades. But that See Report button still shows up here. So I can click on See Report, and it will open up the assignment and give me the chance again to practice the problem by finding something similar. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you.